Hey folks, man, it's Monk and we are back with another episode of Monk's Box, unboxing video series. Do something for me and hit that subscribe button. So we got two pairs of dunks, man, donated by the homies so I could, show them to you guys. And it's interesting, we got two collegiate college colorways, man. I want to show you guys something, man. Both retail pairs. Same size shoe, but two different size boxes, man. It's interesting, man. A lot of people will say all this and that about the shoes, man, but they not really touching pairs like that, man, and seeing them, getting them in hand, spinning around, touching them, seeing what the packaging looks like and all of that, man. But at Monk's Box, we do, one way or another, man. But let's get into this, man. This is going to be interesting. Today, we got both lows, man, both low dunks. We got the Michigans right here. Michigan versus Kentucky. Yeah, let's take a look at these, man. Both of these are beautiful pairs, man. Dunk low models. Yeah, let's show it like that. So they're the opposites attract. And booyah. So I do like these shoes, man. They are very dope colorways, man, for their prospective brands, man, depending on what you like. And dunks are getting back in again, man. Especially these lows, the regular dunks, not the SBs, man. The regular dunks are coming back, man. You're gonna see a lot of these in the streets lately. All kinds of colors, man. Right here, we got this Kentucky blue. These are pretty interesting, man. These are dunk low models. So let's look at these Kentuckys first, man. So we got the basic dunk shape and all that right here, man. The colors are hitting, man. We got the blue and white going on. We got also the blue sole at the bottom. So boom, there you go. The leather's pretty solid on these, man. Although I do think they could be a little bit higher quality, man, but the pricing on this isn't outrageous if you could get them at retail. And lately, when these models come out, they're not really going for that much higher on the resale market, man. So you can get these without getting bent over. And that's the Kentucky model. I think I do like these Michigans a little bit more just because we've got more than just primary color and white. So with these, we got the Michigan colors, which is going to be the navy blue and the gold. That will probably be my biggest complaint. The leather is good enough here, but it's not the best. I think with the SB models, you can get a much more premium materials with those. These are basic. They get the job done. But at the same time, the price point is kind of reflective at that. They're not outrageous. They're typically a little bit lower priced than the high top models. But I do like these, man, because we get this these primary colors broken up with the white sole going around. So that's pretty cool. We get the navy on the bottom. Yeah, but these are pretty solid, man. I do like the tongue right here. We get the label right here, the Nike symbol. In the Michigan colors again, we get the Nike on the heel. Same thing with the Kentuckys, man. We got that, popping. On here, it's going to be white and blue, to go with the team colors. And accents. These are solid, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you could get a hold of them, go ahead. But I wouldn't pay much more than retail for these, man. Because just like I said, man, I do have some issues with the quality of the materials. But for the most part, they get the job done. They're going to look good in the streets. And they're going to last you a little while, But yeah, these are pretty dope, man. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which one do you like better? You like the Kentucky or do you like the Michigan, man? You know what I'm saying? And we're going to be back with more. I'm going to give you the quick 360 whip around view of these things up close with the details. I think that's it, folks, man. Monk is out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And also, I want to remind you to check out the new single from Jon Atoms, man. This is called Bridges, man. There's going to be a link to it below in this video. We out of here, folks, man. We're gonna catch y'all next time, man. Monk is out. Peace.